Understanding savings goals features.
Nice savings goals features in finance apps help users reach financial targets by combining progress tracking, smart calculations, and automated transfers. These tools make it easier to save consistently for specific purposes, like vacations or emergency funds, turning abstract goals into clear milestones. Let's explore how these features actually work step by step.
Setting and defining your savings goal.
First, users select or name a goal, such as new laptop or trip fund, and enter a target amount and deadline. The app uses these details to determine how much money needs to be saved and by when. This personalized approach helps users visualize their progress and maintain motivation.
How progress is calculated.
The app regularly tracks deposited amounts and compares them to your target. It updates your progress, often displaying it as a percentage or on a progress bar. Under the hood, algorithms automatically calculate how much is left to save and how your current savings pace measures up to your goal. This keeps things clear and actionable.
Automation rules and smart scheduling.
To make saving easier, these features let you set up automated transfers from a checking to a savings account on a weekly or monthly schedule. Some apps use rules, like rounding up purchases or saving extra after paydays, to help boost your total without manual effort. Automation makes consistency practically effortless.
Adjusting and monitoring progress.
If your income or expenses change, you can adjust your savings rules or target date. The app's algorithms recalculate your required contributions automatically. Continuous monitoring and timely notifications remind you to stay on track or make changes, keeping you in control of your money and your goals.